Hello sweeties, welcome to or back to the channel, and today we're doing Luvme hair. So this wig is 12 inches. It's a 5x5 closure with HD lace, and it has blonde streaks. As you can see, it has two combs in the front, a glueless band, the adjustable straps, and a comb in the back. This wig comes pre-styled with pre-bleached knots, and it is also pre-plucked for you. It comes with a side part, which you will see me kind of modify later, but let's get into the install. So I'm gonna go in with my lace tint spray to get the lace nice and tinted and closer to my skin tone. I'm just gonna cover the entire closure. I'm gonna go in now and tint my wig cap because that also needs to be as close to your skin shade as possible. So I'm just taking a nice contour palette. It's a cream palette, and I just rub it all in the area where I know the cap would show through the lace. So like I said, this wig does come with a side part already parted in there for you, but it's not in the place that I like. I want to give it a little bit more swoop and personality. So I'm going to do more of a C-shaped part. This is more of a straight part that's already in there. I'm going to make more of a C part, deeper part in the side. I think it just makes it look a lot better, somewhat even more natural. So that's what we're going to do. Just always make sure that you're leaving enough hair to cover the tracks of the wig. So you kind of saw me feeling around there a second ago. I'm just making sure I'm not going too deep or any of the track would be showing around that closure. And you don't have to just do side parts with this wig. You can part it in the middle, and you can also part it on the other side. You can part it anywhere within that 5x5 closure. Okay, so now we've gotten to the point where you cut off the lace. Just make sure you're cutting it off in a jagged motion. I am kind of getting interested in buying the jagged scissors, you know, that you do crafts with. I know some girls have been using those for a long time, but I've been receiving wigs lately that are already cut like that, and they really look good and it just vanishes against the skin. So I'm really thinking about going for that. But now I'm just going in with my wax stick. I'm gonna start trying to get this hair styled up and polished. It does come pre-styled, but sometimes, like you saw, I reparted it and everything, so it gets a little bit messy. So now I'm just gonna go back and polish over it and make sure it looks right. So I'm not really doing any baby hairs, but I thought I would do the temple area where you naturally have like a little swoop going into the hair. I also didn't want to do a lot of baby hair too, because this is a glueless wig and it's to throw on and take off with ease. And so I didn't want to, you know, if you have to lay the baby hair, you may as well glue it down, right? So I just swoop the sides a little bit right there, and I think it looked really, really good. If you want to put one on the other side, you can, but I just want to keep it simple. And then I went in my part with a little bit of that same contour shade that I put on the wig cap and just cleaned up that part. This wig is truly glueless. It's snug, but it's not too tight. And what I love about Luvme wigs is that they put the glueless band in there that you can remove and put back in if you like. I like it when they do that because sometimes you want the glueless band. Sometimes you might decide what fits my head better without the glueless band, or I want to take the glueless band out because I want to glue it down. I love that they give you that option. Their hair is always so good. I love their wigs. I'm telling you guys, again, if you're looking for an everyday wig, go check out their website. So as you can see, after I got finished and started finger combing it, it was not bad. You could still get away with this, but I'm gonna go ahead and go into some of the areas that I see the curls have kind of fallen out of or I've been too rough with, and just kind of go back over them with the curling iron and get it 100% right. Okay, ladies, and that is it. I went and changed to get a little bit more glamorous for y'all so y'all can really get the effect of this thing, okay? But yes, I love the color and the streaks. I love that when it's curled up, it gives this high-low effect, like it's higher in the back and lower in the front and frames the face. This is a really cute style. They really pre-cut this wig so nicely, and you don't have to just wear it curled. You can straighten it out, you can bump the ends, whatever you choose to do. But this is it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, and until next time, stay sweet.